Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you a long-standing rice restaurant that serves delicious food. The restaurant is located on Le Van Hu Street in Hai Ba Trung District, Hanoi City. It is family managed and almost does not use external labor. This is a very traditional restaurant and there are many in Hanoi. It offers a variety of dishes with rice such as chicken, fish, pork roll, and sausage. Almost all the dishes here are made by the owner's family. Regarding the price, it is quite expensive compared to other restaurants of the same type, but in return, the quality is stable and the food is prepared cleanly and meticulously. Let me briefly talk about Le Van Hu Street originally. This was the land of Trang Can village in Hao Giem Canton, Those Luang district by the mid-19th century. This village merged with Ham Shou village to become Ham Can village in Than Non Canton during the French colonial period. It was called Laver and Street Rue La Varin, established in 1928. In 1945, it was renamed Le Van Hu Street. The name has remained unchanged through subsequent name changes. It is now part of Ngo Thi Nam, Ward Hai Ba Trung District. Do you see? There are so many dishes on the counter. The owner is chopping roasted meat, preparing for the rush hour. Customers are starting to come in now, guys. The first floor seems very narrow and has few tables, but there are many tables on the second floor. They have 3 floors, the first, second, and third. The first floor is for making and selling goods, so the variety of dishes is not that much. There's a lady ordering and reading the order for the counter owner to intentionally prepare the goods. If you think you want to find a cheap place, this is not the place for you. Because the restaurant here, Vietnamese people, many say to each other that it sells very expensively. Here is this fish dish. This is braised snakehead fish in soy sauce, then stir-fried shrimp with kohlrabi. Customers are serving themselves now, guys. This fried shrimp dish, this grilled betel leaf dish, this braised snakehead fish in soy sauce. This is braised coconut. This is a sausage dish, guys. Stir-fried intestines. Stir-fried intestines is very popular among Vietnamese. Perhaps there is also a very special and unique dish of Hanoi. I will show you right here. This is the sweet and sour pork ribs, and also the shrimp paste dish. Shrimp paste is a traditional dish of the Vietnamese. The owner is adding more stir-fried intestines. Very hot.
Anh đi xôi cho nó à? Đây rồi. Thì quay là ba chào nhá. Rồi thôi ba người. Đâu thì em. Rồi ba người nào? Trung Hào. Quay đây đi. Cơm ba người nhá. Thịt kho à? Thịt kho đi. Kho trứng. Ai không gọi có lụa nào? Cho quả chuối đậu. Tôi cắt rời hạt trứng ra đóng. Em trai ăn giò xào nữa không? Không, không ạ. Có đủ rồi em ơi. Bác ơi, của cháu bao nhiêu tiền hả? 60, 60. 60 à? Tiền khoản là gì đấy? Tiền mặt đây. Rồi, đây. Rồi, trứng rán. $40 nào. 40 triệu. 40 này.
All the dishes I've tried here are delicious, you guys. This roasted meat dish is very aromatic. The skin is crispy without being hard. The fat in the meat isn't greasy. I really like this roasted meat dish a lot. This dish is served with pure fish sauce. Eating it with the rich taste of the fish sauce is very delicious. You guys, if you like affordable meals without worrying about the price, you should definitely visit this place if you find the video enjoyable. Please hit like and don't forget to subscribe to watch more clips.